Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Tashigang, world's highest polling station. In Himachal Pradesh, Tashigang is the world's highest polling station situated at 15,256 feet. Residents of Tashigang will vote for the first time in assembly election tomorrow, that is November 12, 2022. Tashigang was set up in 2019 and voters have exercised their franchisee once in the Lok Sabha and second in the Lok Sabha by-elections. Earlier this year in the Mandi Lok Sabha by-election, this polling station witnessed 100% voting. Tashigang village has a total population of 75, of which 52 residents are registered voters, including 30 men and 22 women. This remote village is located in Lahaul-Spiti district, which falls under the Mandi parliamentary seat. There are 29 polling stations in Spiti Valley comprising 8,247 voters. Spiti's headquarters at Kaza has the highest number of voters, followed by Galing and Rangrik. Spiti is a cold desert valley and experiences extreme cold. It borders China-administered Tibetan Autonomous Region in the east.